In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make file public in Google Drive, Guide to Public Sharing, Google Drive tutorial. Before we start, a quick note on what public means in Google Drive. In most accounts, making something public means setting it to anyone with the link. That allows anyone who has the link to open the file without signing in, but the file won't be listed in search results by default. Still, treat it as publicly accessible and avoid sharing anything sensitive. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the right Google account so you're working in the correct drive. Once you're on your drive home, find the file you want to share. Click the file once to select it. You don't need to open it. A single click is enough. Look for the share button. You'll find it in the toolbar at the top. And you may also see a share option if a side panel appears or if you right-click the file. Click Share. If you see a quick menu first, click Share again to open the full sharing window. This is where you control exactly who can access your file. In the sharing window, go to the section labeled General Access. If it currently says Restricted, it means only people you explicitly add can see the file. Click that setting and switch it to anyone with the link. That change removes the sign-in requirement for viewers who have your link. By default, the role here is Viewer, which is ideal for most public sharing because it prevents edits. If you specifically need others to leave comments or edit, you can change the role, but be aware that giving edit access to anyone with the link is very permissive. Next, click Copy Link. This copies the public link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a chat, a website, or anywhere else you plan to share it. After you've copied the link, click Done to close the sharing window. That's it. The file is now publicly accessible to anyone who has the link you copied. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you're using a work or school account, your organization's admin might limit public sharing, so you may not see the anyone with the link option. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, the setting applies to the specific document you selected. For other file types, viewers can usually preview or download depending on the file. If you ever want to reverse this, go back to Share, switch General Access back to Restricted, and click Done. Now you're ready to share your file with confidence using a single link.